everyone, welcome today to our channel. Our tutorial today will be based on what is called bridging. We want to learn how to do bridging. Not all Web3 wallets support bridging, but some Web3 wallets do support bridging. What is bridging? For instance, those of us in Nigeria, when you want to load recharge card in your phone, you have to load it according to the network, maybe MTN, Airtel, Glo network. But think of the possibility of you buying a Glo network recharge card, but you'll be able to load it in your MTN. So you bridge it to MTN network. So that is what bridging is, when you are able to swap asset from one network to another network. So for instance, we want to use a token in the Solana network, which is Milkawa Inu, to do this tutorial. So we're going to go up now. So let us scroll up. We're going to touch manage token. So we are going to touch custom crypto, which is this. Touch this arrow. We are using OKX Wallet, OKX Web3 Wallet. Now touch this network, touch this arrow to change the network. So Milkawa Inu is on the Solana network. So let us paste the contract address of Milkawa Inu. We already copied that. Then touch the symbol and automatically it will show up. So Shikoku is the ticker, but the rename is Milkawa Inu. So we touch confirm. Now this token has been added now. Now you can see that I do not have enough Solana to use because of the Solana network, but I have BNB. Look at my BNB. I have about 5.88 BNB. So now I want to swap BNB to Milkawa Inu, but I will not be able to do that directly. So what am I going to do? So I'm going to touch BNB. Now rather than touching swap, I'm going to touch bridge. So I'll touch bridge. Now, so let me touch, you can see bridge. I'll touch bridge. So in the bridge now, I'm going to touch the first one. So I want to bridge from the BNB chain, right? So, and what am I? Okay, I'm going to choose BNB chain, then the BNB coin. So I'll touch BNB. So, sorry, BNB chain, BNB coin. Now I want to bridge to which network? I'm going to touch it. I want to bridge to Solana. So I want to bridge to the Solana network. You can see Solana. Okay, let me search for the token. I can use the contract address. Let me paste the contract address. You can swap to Solana and then go back. You can see I have Shikoku, right? So I can decide to swap directly to this place. Now, what am I going to use? I'll have about 0.01 BNB. So I saw 0.008. So I can have some BNB coin left for gas fee. So this is going to give me about 4.7 billion of Milkawa Inu. So now I'm going to touch bridge. You can see minimum to receive, slippage, and so I'm going to touch bridge. Now you can see this is it. You can show more if you want to see more. Network fee is $0.01 of BNB. So you can see I'll touch confirm, then put your password or use your biometric. So the bridging has been done. This is how you do bridging in Web3 wallet. So not all wallets support, so look for the wallet that supports bridging. So if I come here now and I scroll up, let me see, you are going to see my Shikoku now. Remember, it was BNB I swapped to it, but it's under the Solana network. So ordinarily, if I want to swap BNB to Shikoku, it will not be possible. So I need to use the bridging. So why that is important is sometimes if you want to do swapping, you may lose a lot. For instance, for me to buy that through the Solana, I need to first swap my BNB, or maybe first swap my BNB to Solana, then Solana, like that. No. So bridging can, maybe for instance, all I will have to do is to see, maybe first send my BNB to an exchange, then from an exchange I will swap my BNB maybe to USDT. Okay, just look at the processes. Then from USDT, from the exchange, I will now buy Solana. Then the Solana I will now send back to my wallet. Or you can swap from your wallet, swap to USDT on the BEP1020 network, then send it to an exchange, buy Solana from the exchange, because in an exchange that is not an issue. You can use any USDT to buy any coin on any network. It's very easy. So you send it back to your wallet, but the problem is the network fees. For you know, there are different network fees from buying this, from sending, from receiving. So in order to cut all these long processes, simply do bridging. So this is how you do bridging in Web3 wallets. So if you find value in this video, please give us a thumbs up, like this video, follow our channel, hit the bell icon to all set, so that each time we make new videos, you'll be one of those to be notified first. And if you're yet to follow our channel, please subscribe to our channel. It will come your way again next time. Remain blessed.